Sage 200 On-Premise offers businesses in the manufacturing sector a comprehensive manufacturing solution management element. Manufacturing covers the entire production process, from planning and order processing to materials and stock management. It also contains sub-elements that perform specific functions, such as bill of materials, estimating, production planning, works order processing, shop floor data capture, and capacity planning. Together, they offer the flexibility to set and control production from end to end in the way that best suits the size, sophistication, and growth of your business. Bill of Materials keeps track of costs, processes, and products, and maintains versions of its reports in order to provide a history and audit trail of operations. Estimating prepares estimates for new orders and products. It can provide customer quotes that can easily be converted to firm orders. Production planning starts with customer orders and enables them to be met as efficiently as possible, while maintaining lean but sufficient stock levels. Works orders track jobs as they move through production. It incorporates stock allocation and pick lists, while tracking batch and serial numbers and monitoring multiple locations within the business as a whole. Shop floor data capture monitors jobs via job cards and notes the amount of time spent on an operation, enabling accurate job costings. The complete production control tool, manufacturing monitors and reports in the ways that you want it to. Gain full command of future order flows, ongoing operations, and historical data to make manufacturing processes as lean, efficient, and profitable as possible.